Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration. Welcome, dear friends, to a brand new decorating adventure. With Easter just around the corner, it's time to bring a fresh, joyful touch to our homes, starting with one of the most eye-catching spots, our entryway table. This small but mighty space is the very first thing guests see when they walk through the door, so why not make it an enchanting reflection of the season? Today, I'm sharing gorgeous Easter entryway table decor ideas that will fill your home with springtime charm, pastel magic, and a touch of elegance. Whether your style leans classic, rustic, or modern chic, there's something here for you. Let's dive in and create a warm and inviting first impression that celebrates the beauty of Easter. Nothing says Easter like the fresh bloom of spring flowers. Start by selecting a beautiful vase, think ceramic, glass, or even a rustic watering can, to hold an arrangement of pastel tulips, daffodils, or delicate cherry blossoms. Layering different heights and textures creates a more organic, effortless feel. If you want a long-lasting display, opt for high-quality faux flowers. To elevate the look, weave in some soft greenery like eucalyptus or ivy for a more natural, garden-inspired effect. To complete the floral theme, consider adding a floral printed table runner beneath your arrangement, subtly tying everything together. Every Easter entryway needs a few charming bunnies. Whether you prefer sleek ceramic bunnies, rustic wooden cutouts, or whimsical moss-covered figures, these little additions instantly create an Easter-ready atmosphere. Arrange them in pairs or groups for a balanced composition. If you love a bit of glamour, opt for gold or silver metallic bunnies to add a hint of sophistication. Pair them with small Easter egg decorations in pastel hues, nestled within a decorative tray or a bed of moss. This creates a curated, designer-worthy display with a playful seasonal twist. For a unique and unexpected touch, consider setting up a miniature Easter tree. Use a bundle of branches, real or artificial, in a tall vase and hang delicate pastel eggs, mini wreaths, or even tiny felt bunnies from the branches. This adds height and drama to your entryway table while keeping the decor light and airy. To bring in even more charm, place a few candle holders with soft, flickering LED candles at the base of the tree for a cozy glow in the evenings. This idea works especially well in neutral or minimalist spaces, adding just the right amount of Easter whimsy without overwhelming the space. If you're enjoying these ideas so far, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps support the channel and lets me know that you love these seasonal decorating ideas. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on fresh home styling inspiration. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite way to decorate your entryway for Easter? Let's chat below. If you love the cozy warmth of farmhouse decor, an Easter-themed rustic entryway table is a perfect choice. Start with a distressed wooden tray or woven basket to anchor your display. Inside, arrange vintage-inspired elements like weathered lanterns, small grapevine wreaths, and farmhouse-style wooden signs with Easter greetings. Add in some speckled eggs in a soft color palette and a few sprigs of wildflowers to give the whole setup an effortless, collected-over-time feel. Finish off with a soft, checkered, or lace runner to tie the whole aesthetic together beautifully. For those who prefer a more refined and understated approach, Easter decor can still be breathtakingly beautiful in a minimalist style. Stick to a neutral palette, whites, beiges, and soft pastels, and opt for simple yet high-impact pieces. A sculptural white vase with a few fresh branches of budding blossoms can be your main focal point. Pair this with a sleek ceramic bunny, a few marble or wooden eggs, and a linen runner for a clean, sophisticated look. Adding subtle touches like a bowl of white candles or a framed Easter quote in a delicate font will enhance the elegance while keeping the space airy and uncluttered. And there you have it, 5 gorgeous ways to style your entryway table for Easter. Whether you love a floral wonderland, charming bunny figurines, an enchanting Easter tree, rustic farmhouse vibes, or a minimalist chic approach, there's a look here that will bring the perfect seasonal touch to your home. Your entryway is the first glimpse of your decor style, so why not make it a stunning, joyful, and festive space for the season? Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new decorating idea. Wishing you a beautiful, happy, and decor-filled Easter.